Now let us explore the leading manufacturers in the global drone industry. Number 1 is DJI, short for Dajiang Innovations, based in China. They dominate the market with over 70% share. Their drones, such as the DJI Mini 4 Pro and the DJI Mavic 3 Pro, offer incredible image quality and advanced flight features. Prices range from $400 to over $2,000 United States dollars. Second is Parrot, a French company known for the Parrot Anafi drone. It features a compact design and 4K video recording, typically priced between $500 and $1,000. Third is Unique, another Chinese company offering drones like the Typhoon H3, a 6-rotor drone with professional-grade imaging and obstacle avoidance. These drones are usually priced between $1,000 and $1,500. Fourth is Autel Robotics, which operates in both the United States and China. Their standout model, the Evo Lite Plus, boasts a large camera sensor and over 40 minutes of flight time. It sells for approximately $1,500. Fifth is Skydio, an American manufacturer famous for its autonomous flying technology. The Skydio 2 can navigate complex environments using only its onboard cameras and artificial intelligence. It is priced between $900 and $1,500. So what exactly makes a drone fly? It all begins with the flight controller, the intelligent brain of the system. It reads data from sensors like the inertial measurement unit, barometer, GPS module, and magnetometer. It sends precise instructions to the motors through the electronic speed controllers. The brushless motors spin the propellers, generating lift. A lithium polymer battery powers it all. Cameras and gimbals provide the eyes, while software and artificial intelligence make the drone smarter and more autonomous every day. The drone is not just a flying toy, it is a sophisticated flying robot designed to help us capture breathtaking views, deliver urgent supplies, monitor environments, and even save lives.